can't believe this. Look at this.
Take a look at this channel. It gained 2.3 million views and over 7,000 subscribers from just one video in only 2 days. Right now, this type of vegetable cartoon video is incredibly popular. Many channels are going viral with just 1 or 2 videos. And it's not just this channel. Look at these channels too. This one has only 4 videos, and the latest got 2.5 million views in just 3 days. This channel also has just 4 videos, with 3 of them getting nearly 100,000 views. And look at this one. They used to make different animations, but after switching to vegetable animation, their latest video got 1.3 million views in just 19 hours. Trust me, if you make videos like these vegetable animations, there's a 95% chance your video could go viral and get millions of views. And today, in just 5 minutes, we're going to create a video like this using AI, completely free. To create videos like this, first, we'll need a long, detailed prompt. And I'm going to give you that prompt completely free. You'll find the download link in the video description box. Now first, select the entire prompt from beginning to end and copy it. Then, go to Minimax AI and paste the prompt there. Make sure thinking mode is turned on. Select the M3 model and click Submit. Minimax will then start working according to the prompt and generate everything for you. Now, Minimax will ask us about a few things in 5 simple steps. Once we answer all of them, Minimax will generate the complete image generation prompts and image-to-video animation prompts for us. First, I need to select the video duration. I want my video to be 1 minute long, so I'm selecting 1 minute. Next, I'm choosing the 16:9 aspect ratio. For the audio, we have 3 options. We can choose only sound effects, we can have both voiceover and sound effects, or we can keep the video completely muted. I want both voiceover and sound effects, so I'm selecting that option. Next, we need to choose the video language. I'm selecting English, but you can choose any language you want. Now, in this step, we need to describe the story we want. We can customize everything according to our needs: the characters, vegetables, weather, location, and more. For example, I want an adventure story featuring potato and tomato characters, set on a rainy day in an Indian village. So, I'm entering those details and clicking Submit. Now, Minimax will take a little time to process everything. Then, it will generate the complete story, characters, locations, and all the clips we need, including image generation prompts, image-to-video animation prompts, and voiceover prompts. Now we have all the detailed prompts ready. Next, we're going to use these prompts to generate our images. For image generation, we'll use Google Flow. With this tool, you can generate unlimited images completely free of charge. Now, Minimax has given me a total of 6 clips. I'm going to start with the first clip and copy its image generation prompt. Then, I'll open Google Flow and paste the prompt there. I'll select the 16:9 aspect ratio and choose the Nano Banana 2 image model. Finally, I'll click Submit, and Google Flow will start generating the image for me. I'll also provide the Google Flow link in the video description. Once the first image is generated, we'll go back to Minimax and copy the image generation prompt for the second clip. Then, we'll return to Google Flow and click the 3-dot menu on the first generated image. From there, click Add to Prompt and paste the second clip's prompt. Finally, click Submit again. By doing this, the characters and background references will remain consistent across all the clips. Now, let's repeat the same process for all 6 clips and generate each image, while keeping the characters and backgrounds perfectly consistent throughout the entire video. Once all the images are generated, we'll animate them. We'll convert each image into a 10-second video clip using Google Flow. This process isn't completely free. Each image-to-video conversion costs 15 credits, so animating all 6 clips will require 90 credits. Google Flow provides 50 free credits per day for each account. So, if we use 2 accounts, we'll have 100 free credits per day, enough to create 1 complete video every day. Now that all the images are generated, Let's go back to Minimax and copy the animation prompt for the first clip. Then, we'll return to Google Flow and click the three-dot menu on the first generated image. Next, click Animate and paste the copied prompt. Finally, select a 10-second video duration and click Submit. Google Flow will then start converting our image into a video clip. Now, let's follow the same process and animate all the remaining image clips. Once all the clips are animated, we'll import them into a video editing software, arrange them in the correct order, and export them together as one complete video. Once all the clips are generated, download each clip in 720p. I'm downloading all the clips one by one. Once the downloads are complete, open any video editing software. I'm using CapCut for this tutorial. Now in CapCut, click on Create Project. Then click Import at the top and import all the video clips we downloaded. Once they're imported, drag each clip onto the timeline and arrange them in the correct order. That's it. If you want, you can make a few small cuts here and there to make the clips flow better. I'm also using a black fade transition between each clip to make the transitions look smoother. You can add more edits if you want. Once everything is done, simply click Export. And that's it. Our video is complete. Or video.
Splash, splash!
Our video turned out really great. You can make your videos even better by creating longer and more engaging stories, and then upload them to YouTube. And if you want more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll consistently bring you tutorials on the latest and trending AI video tools and techniques before anyone else. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. And if you have any trouble understanding any part of the tutorial, feel free to let me know in the comments.